Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all of you. Today I am here for to be the part of this mega event which is called Open House. Uh, HPGS is now one of the top leading renowned and educational institution for the last 42 years that we have been working and we have been providing quality education and also grooming our students on a much better level. Today is the event in which we are providing facility to our students who are really willing to come and show their interest to make some projects now. Eventually, their assigned teachers have been helping them, and we're providing everything. I mean to say that whatever they required, they are providing it, and parents are. We have got a good appreciation from parents. We have got a good appreciation for recommendation from the parents or just willing to take a part in this event. So, Open House is the event every year that we've been conducting this, and that the main purpose for conducting Open House is to enhance the qualities of a student's ability of the student to come up with the rising spirit. So, this is going to be a good opportunity for all of us to be the part of this mega event. Please, yes, without any delay, you have to come and attend this auspicious event where you can get a lot of information about Open House and about our school. Thank you very much and take care yourself. Thanks.